I will talk about how can you get premium on your CallApp. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on get premium here, just click on it. You come to next step here, and here you select if you want to add plan for monthly or yearly here, or here one time. So can you select it for monthly? For example, you click here on continue here. So then here add credit or debit card here, then it's going to add with you on your CallApp. So that's all you have to do. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.